BOJ really needs to work on its communication. Many of the signals coming out of BOJ over the last few weeks have deeply confused the market. You know, that's exacerbated bond market volatility and obviously upset equity markets, although, let's be honest, they were falling from a great height.
Here in Europe, we've got this court in Karlsruhe in Germany voting on the ESM and the legality of that. How's the market dealing with this? I imagine something like this is quite hard to price in, right?
Yeah, I mean, I think the market's actually fairly relaxed about this. I mean, you know, there have been some interesting, manoeuvres over the last couple of days. So you had Jörg Asmussen, the German executive board member of the ECB, saying, I respect Karlsruhe's independence, but do you know what? If this doesn't go through, the consequences will be serious. So, guys, make the right decision. Mario Draghi is on the airwaves this morning saying, I remember as a kid, how awful inflation was in Italy. Don't worry, guys, the central bank is safe with me. I'm not going to be printing money. I'm not going to ramp up inflation. So there's a massive PR exercise going on here. But of course, at the end of the day, there's always the chance that Karlsruhe are going to turn around and say, no, we don't like this OMT. We don't like the open-ended nature of OMT.
All right. Let's get a quick word on the corporate story of the day as well. This is the Severn Trent story in the UK. Yeah. A couple of US hedge funds getting into this. Severn Trent have rejected that initial bid. I'd like your view on what this says about the M&A environment.
I think it tells you that it's on the up. I mean, we're seeing a lot of investment funds out there with a lot of firepower, access to cheap liquidity, and a lot of companies out there with very attractive free cash flow yields. So, that combination, you're going to see some activity. And I also saw earlier on today, View Cinemas getting flipped out for double the price it was bought at 3 years ago. So, yeah, M&A on the up and up.